Hey my royalty, welcome again to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with an update on these clip-ins that I reviewed about 4 months ago. Yes, 4 months ago. So let's get right into it. Alright my royalty, welcome again to my channel. About 4 months ago I did a review on an Amazon clip-ins that I really love called Sassina. Oops, I don't even have the box here. 16 inches, and the box was about $74 and like 90 cents. It was under 75 bucks, and I have been wearing these clip-ins. I've been putting them up. I have been doing everything, working out with these clip-ins, and it's 4 months later. And if you guys are anyone like myself who love clip-ins, you know clip-ins don't last if you don't get a good pair. So here we are 4 months later, and let me tell you guys, I am impressed with this hair. I got it in the Yaki straight. Check out my video, I'll link it above somewhere over here for you guys to see. And I just wanted to come to you guys real quick and let you know that they held up. I would say the ends did get a little thin, nothing drastic, but again, my hair is very natural as far as in the roots, so maybe that is making the ends look thicker because up here is kind of thick. But for the most part, amazing. Washed, curled, everything worked out in. And yes, so definitely check out these clip-ins. I give it 5 stars. It held up well 4 months later. So again, this isn't sponsored, so go check them out on Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. Thank you guys. Be royal, be blessed. Bye.